I was so intrigued by these fish fat cocktails that I actually invested in a second Josh Niland cookbook, The Whole Fish, in order to get the essential Cod Fat Caramel Sauce recipe. Well played, Josh. The problem is, I'm pretty sure you need to be operating at an industrial kitchen level in order to obtain the amount of fish fat required for this. I visited many fishmongers in Berlin, but alas, no one had any fatty fish scrap around to sell me. So, in the name of sustainability and food waste, I decided to pivot to the one thing that never failed to generate a thick layer of unwanted fat, and of course, that is bacon. But really, I encourage you to try any type of meat fat that would otherwise go to waste. Lamb, duck, sausage, ribeye. Just make a note next time you're hosting a dinner party or large family gathering, as you need at least a cup of fat to pull this recipe off. First thing on my to-do list was to make and devour an awesome blat. I actually went through 4 packets of bacon for this, and the sandwich was delicious.
Luckily, I asked for the shave.
The key ingredient in this recipe is really patience. Definitely don't try to make this a few hours before your cocktail party starts, because it is a slow process, but I'd argue one worth doing. I quickly realized that one straining station just wasn't going to be enough, so I had 3 jars going at the same time. Another hot tip, coffee filters should only be used once. If you reuse the same filter for a second or third pour, you risk having it break and contaminating the filtered vodka that just took you about an hour to make. I went through this painful experience myself, and while it will definitely get you ready to drink the cocktail even more, you'll need to wait even longer. So use it and lose it, and then get a fresh coffee filter. I also decided to keep adding my newly filtered caramel vodka to a separate jar as an extra precaution.
Vodka Martini. Shaken and stirred. Don't look like I give a damn.